Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to be able to download a document so that you can mark it up and then turn it in for points, all right? So we got the practice current event right here. I'm gonna preview it as a student. This is how you guys should be seeing it right here. You're gonna click it, all right? When you click it, it pulls it up and it says that you can open it with Docs, but over here it looks like that it's a Word document, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit download. All right, and down at the bottom you can see that it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, you can open it and it's going to be a Word document. This Word document is fully yours once you hit enable editing. Okay, once you hit enable editing, you can go to the draw tab. All right, and over here you can pick a color, you can draw on there, you can put little kind of like symbols and things like that. You also have the highlighter if you want to highlight. If you want to put a whole entire section in there and put something like, I don't get it, or help. Once you save it, I will see that, okay? So feel free to do that. You can also do different features on here that you can play around with, but just letting you guys know what you can do. Yeah. So then once you are done marking it up, what you're going to do is you're going to hit save, and it'll save it under this name. But if you want to change the name, you can go to File, Save As, and then here you can change the name. Practice current event, and then put your name there, Belvedere, hit save. All right, so then when you upload it to Synergy, then I will see it like that. Cool.